Some religions are inherently non violent, and some others appear to be more patently accepting of violence. Why this diversity?
Okay, for anything to survive, violence at some level, it could be very subtle or it could be very, very obvious, but violence is absolutely necessary. So, note that even herbivorous animals are violent towards living plants. So, what is violence? Violence is taking something that quote unquote does not belong to you and doing with it as you please. That is violence. And so, even single celled organisms are violent towards their environment, towards whatever they eat. Ultimately, you have to consume something in order to continue to live. So, everything that survives across time is necessarily violent at some level or the other. Even, this is very important to understand, religions which are overtly non violent, they survive because there are other means by which the practitioners of that religion have found a way to survive. So, maybe you're not violent in terms of power, you're violent in terms of money. You find means by which you accrete a lot of money to yourself. So, you are subtly violent towards the rest of the society and you make sure that all the money comes towards you. And that is the way in which you get your power. The fact is, you have no alternative but to be violent in order to survive. So, even religions which appear to be, you know, explicitly non-violent have violence ingrained in them at some level or the other. So, don't think you can escape that. It's not possible at all. All you have to do is understand that some are not being quite so, let's say, devious about it. So they are stating that okay, let us be violent. The fact is, in order to survive, you have to be violent. But if you are violent, that violence will beget violence. So something else will come, and sometimes with the cycle of time, the opposition to you will become more powerful and can destroy you completely also. Even that can happen. It can happen with individuals, it can happen with religions also. So this is exactly how it happens all the time.